Detroit.
I'm trying after you.
Holy fucking shit, they suck that nigga cock, nigga. Sucking that nigga dick for what reason? Nigga just wah. They just sucking that nigga penis, bro. I seen Tiana Trump suck less dick than that, nigga. Well, niggas are just like, I'm losing, man, I'm losing.
Why you quiet?
I swear.
My God!
What the hell?
Yo!
And y'all, hold on, before y'all, because I know y'all niggas gonna call cap. Hold on, where's the fucking? Hold on, like this one right here, like. And then I was using it, my nigga, and then I was just like, damn, this shit not really like blowing for real though, bro.
I did not speak for me. No, nigga. No, nigga.
Niggas so much. Oh my god, damn, nigga, shut the fuck up, nigga. Okay, take Carl. Okay, back. Carl, give me that motherfucking mod, nigga. Thank you.
Sorry, bro.
Alright. I don't know what's good with you, bro, but open up a dictionary and stop being on character. Fuck.